Yeah, now move go.
But wait first, calm down. We don't dey waka the whole waka with the waka. Where you won't go land the thing?
Ah, we go knock now. At the fine place we go dey. I just
you dey find place. You don't get house.
I don't get house. So.
Hey God! So because of this small money when you give me, you just dey stress my life. You know how many customers I don't lose? I don't lose many customers because of you for this small change.
You dey waste time. Quiet. See this my street. One of these cars here must be open. I go find way. Make I just wait.
They play. Ah!
Look at my face.
Oh, more bad market. Ooh, this one.
Jesus! Jesus. Jesus.
5 years of madness. Jay.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
What? What is this? Inside my car. So now you didn't knock. Are you mad? What did you do? You didn't knock woman inside my car. You know girls. So now you didn't knock for you. No wonder that man they complain the entire less. You know man, you just motor, you go get accident. Do you know what you're doing? Knocking inside car. You must first come. You know, say every day thief, one day na the other. Thank God, don't catch. I go take our phone never. You dey grace? You dey mad? Enter inside boot. Enter inside here. I go. You dey mad? Come on, enter inside. Thunder fire you. So now they knock inside my car.
Oga abeg.
If you break me inside there, thunder will fire you. You fool.
Jesus.
So now you
5 years of madness. Jay.
Jesus.
God have mercy upon us.
Yes. Oh! You must be idiot. You go rot in jail. Doubt me. So now you dey finish all the car waiting for this place. First day, now some matter less. Second day, I just go get accident. You rot in jail.